Cleo and Line both help users manage short-term money needs, but they work differently when it comes to features, access, and fees. By the end, you'll know how Cleo and Line compare on costs, features, and which app may make more sense for your financial situation. The main difference is what each app is designed to provide. Cleo is a financial app focused on money management tools and cash advance options for eligible users. It combines features that help users track spending with access to money when they qualify. Line focuses on providing access to funds through its app. The available features and costs depend on your account details and eligibility. When comparing fees, the best option depends on how you plan to use the app. Cleo users should review the costs connected to any cash advance or premium features before using them. The fees you see can depend on the services available through your account. Line users should also check the terms shown inside the app, because pricing and available options can vary based on eligibility. Next, compare the features behind the fees. Cleo may be a better fit for someone who wants more than just access to money. Its budgeting and financial management tools make it useful for users who want help understanding their spending. Line may be a better match for someone who mainly wants access to available funds and prefers a simpler money access experience. The lower fee option is not always the same for every user. Someone who only needs a specific feature may pay differently than someone using multiple tools inside the app. The right comparison comes from checking the exact costs shown in your own account. Before choosing either app, compare the fees, eligibility requirements, and features available during sign-up. This gives you the clearest idea of which app costs less for your situation. The better choice depends on your goal. Choose Cleo if you want money management tools along with access to funds. Choose Line if you are mainly focused on accessing money through its app, and its terms work better for you. To summarize, Cleo focuses on combining financial tools with cash access, while Line focuses on providing access to money through its platform. Check the fees shown for your account, compare the features you need, and choose the option that fits your situation. Subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of popular finance apps.